In the heart of Kisarazu, Japan, car enthusiast Steve Feldman found himself in dreamland when he took a ride in one of Japan's most insane Dekotora trucks. This is a former rubbish truck that's been converted into a well-respected model of the well-known Japanese Dekotora trend. The Dekotora, which literally translates as decoration truck, can often see owners spending up to $100,000 to pimp out their vehicles with dazzling LEDs. Described as drivable works of art, the trucks usually display neon or ultraviolet lights, extravagant paint, and a stainless steel or golden exterior, and they usually remain street legal. This model took the owner 10 years to get to where it is today, with more than 100 lights used to cover the exterior. The Dekotora trucks are now used more prominently for special events and as a hobby for owners, rather than as a practical vehicle for work. With that said, they remain incredibly popular in Japanese films, TV shows and video games, and you can see why.